Ilibing si Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani. Lahat ng naging presidente kailangang ilibing sa libingan ng mga bayani. Dapat nagpasa ng batas para huwag ilibing si Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani.
Republic Act No. 289, an act providing for the construction of the National Pantheon for Presidents of the Philippines, national heroes, and patriots of the country. Section 1. To perpetuate the memory of all the presidents of the Philippines, national heroes, and patriots for the inspiration and emulation of this generation and of generations still unborn, there shall be constructed a national pantheon which shall be the burial place of their mortal remains.
Hindi nagdudulot ng inspirasyon at lalong hindi dapat gayahin ng mga susunod na henerasyon ang mga ginawa ni Marcos bilang presidente. Yan ay sinabi din ng batas. Republic Act No. 10368, Human Rights Victims Reparation and Recognition Act of 2013. It is hereby declared by the policy of the state to recognize the heroism and sacrifices of all Filipinos who were victims of summary execution, torture, enforced or involuntary disappearance, and other gross human rights violations committed during the regime of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos. Pumirma rin ng kasunduan ang pamilyang Marcos noong 1992 para payagan sila ng Pilipinas na iuwi ang bangkay ni Marcos galing Hawaii sa kondisyon na ililibing agad ito sa Ilocos. Magnanakaw na Marcos, patay na nga, gusto pa ring takasan ng batas. Yan ba ang dapat ilibing kasama ang mga bayani?